Hobbies are people's favorite occupation and it surrounds the people with those things that they love to do in their free time. In common words, hobbies may or may not bring money as it is not people's main business, but it gives them joy and pleasure. Hobbies are not the source of people's income, rather, they are the source of recreation and relaxation in their leisure time. Hobbies refer to the most liked activities of people which they do for the purpose to have fun and to turn their pastime into quality time. Three different categories of hobbies are remarkable and they are leisure, creative and productive. Firstly, leisure hobbies mean the least productive activities but they provide the most satisfying and entertaining time in people's daily life. Many people like to watch movies or series on Netflix. Some of them browse social media platforms such as Facebook or Instagram, while some others spend their leisure time by playing games on mobile, etc. And these can be called as the leisure hobbies. Secondly, creative hobbies are those activities that people do in their unique and distinctive way. In creative hobbies, the brain of people works differently and these hobbies help people to show their exceptional creativity by encouraging them to be creative. Creative hobbies may or may not be productive and some well-known examples of creative hobbies are crafting, painting, creative writing, photography, videography, etc. Thirdly, productive hobbies mark the activities which make people to spend their time wisely and productively. Many people are fond of gymnastics, which can be considered as a productive hobby because it is going to make them physically fit and healthy. Again, many people are doing part-time work like a side business to utilize their break time and it can be pointed out as a productive hobby because it is improving the financial condition of those people. Basically, productive hobbies are more important than leisure hobbies or creative hobbies as they inspire people to work for the betterment and development of their lives. Apart from these categories, hobbies can be different based on the age of people also. Usually, hobbies of children are not suitable for adult people, while hobbies of adults are not applicable for aged people. Surprisingly, there is a difference that can be noticed between the male hobbies and female hobbies as they don't match with each other. In addition, there are some other hobbies are existed like indoor, outdoor, unique, random hobbies, etc. However, every people should have at least one hobby to live a healthy and happy life. Though there is no limitation of having hobbies, people can have as many hobbies as they want. Unfortunately, there are many people who consider a hobby as a waste of time and avoid having a hobby ultimately. But it is completely a wrong concept of them and they should keep one hobby at least because hobbies can enrich their lives with lots of fun, joy and excitement. Even people can utilize their precious time by adopting a productive hobby which will help them to be skilled in new things. In fact, hobbies can give pleasure and joy to people of all classes by removing the monotony of hard work. Not only they give people relief from work pressure but also help them to work hard again by making them happy. On the other hand, hobbies can be harmful also if people take them at an extreme level. Sometimes many people become too much involved in their hobbies and these turn into an addiction which brings a harmful impact on their lives. Actually, hobbies should be an inseparable part of people's lives which help them to lead a safe, sound and stress-free life. Thereby, people should be more conscious of adopting the hobbies so that they can get the best advantages from their hobbies. Therefore, hobbies will provide people with a cheerful and delightful life by being a great source of excitement and entertainment. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Assalamu alaikum.